We are here. We are here at the renewal, the return, the rebirth, the renaissance of Astro.
Hi, I'm Rich. I'm here to show you how to open up a game.
Great.
Okay, I got it. That comes lifted right off.
Yep.
Right.
Pinball salvage.
That part so far so good.
And then what you do after the lockdown bar is off, you leave it unlocked. Then you can leave the ball here or whatever, and just lift it right up. There's a prop rod right here.
Okay.
Just put the prop rod, you ain't got to do anything on here. And that way, let's say something's going wrong. I might have you go inside and touch a coil or something like that. You know, it depends what goes on with the game if you ever run into a problem on here.
Okay.
But basically, you know, this whole thing's been blown out and vacuumed, everything.
Who knows? Maybe it was the one that we had in
Then I'm going to show you inside the head here too in a minute here how to open all that up. Okay.
Does that push forward when you tilt it up? This goes forward before you tilt it?
Oh no, it just lifts straight up.
Does it?
See, if you look right
okay.
here, see these little feet? When they come down, they go right in this slot here.
All right, I'm cool. Got that.
Pete, this is why I brought you. Someone who is apparently mechanically inclined.
If you notice, now I want to show you here if you want to change your light bulbs or anything in the front here. There's a lever right here, and it opens up like this. And then you just, it tilts right back, and don't worry, there's stoppers right here, so you can let it go. Now what I did for you here, as you see, I cleaned every score wheel on there, put all new bulbs in here. This will be the one with the helmet right here, if you want to put a 455 in here, and same in here, to give it a track mode. Oh, we just don't want to scratch this up, that's all. The rest will be fine. Three. 1, 2. Ooh, wait till I show you. Okay. We're in.
Got it all the way?
Yep, we're in.
It's alive.
Okay.
What have you gotten me into?
People walk their dogs across the street and she's going nuts. Uh-oh.
What was that? That sounds serious.
Yeah, they were doing the roofing. Did you hear the ladder fall and everything? I heard something. You got a cell phone? Well, I'm sure they're going to call. Yeah. They've got a crowd. They got a couple of people over there, yeah.
Oh boy, looks really injured. Yeah, that's fucked up.
I got no furniture in this place. It's all games and parts. Just a bed for me and the dog.
Hello, Poochie.
Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, Dana.
Hello, Poochie.
You're so good. You know why I like dogs?
Why?
They're good. Good dog is the world's most common redundancy.
Does
I got a crease, man.
does he do any work on pinball machines?
A good dog. A brown dog. That's your pet?
Yep, that was my Jinky. Yeah. She had one blue eye, one brown eye.
When we were going to school, had a husky. Brown eye, blue eye. On one side looked like a soft little cuddly puppy, Jack's dog.
Yeah.
And the other looked like this, like, Viking killer, you know.
Have you ever seen that
Beautiful dog. Yeah. Yeah. I like. I've never met a dog I didn't like. I'm deaf as a post. But he's a good dog.
What?
Plugging it in.
Plugging what
Putting
in?
the male section into the female
Plugging
section
what in?
of the outlet.
What?
Nothing.
Push it!
Push it in!
harder.
It's on.
Okay. Wait.
Can it be the first time? Oh, yes! Oh! Mission fucking accomplished. Nice going, co-conspirators. Oh, yes. Oh, yes!
Daytime.
Yeah.
Out west.
Yeah, that's right. It wasn't the Union originally.
Great house.
Oh, come on.
And then also just to get it out there, I've got, like 500 pictures on the internet if we care to revisit.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.